In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to check if your order from Adidas has been processed using a simple step-by-step method. First, navigate to the website adidas.com, provide your credentials and log into your account. After you log in, click on the profile icon, then navigate to the option My Orders. Once you're in this page, you're gonna find all of your orders. Likewise, here you're gonna find the option of check status of your order. Click on that. Now you will need to fill this. Enter your order number along with the email address that you have used while placing the order. Then click on check order and continue. After that, you will be taken to the order summary page where you can see the current status of your order. If it shows processing, it means your order is still being prepared, and if it shows shipped, then it has already been dispatched. Another easy way to check is through your email. Adidas usually sends a confirmation email when you place the order and a shipping confirmation email once it is processed. If you haven't received the shipping email yet, it most likely means your order is still processing, and that's it. That's how you can easily check your Adidas order status. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.